For me, it was a huge privilege and a huge honor to partner with Fundación La Caixa. The colleagues were incredible. And most importantly, meeting young people who were energized, intrinsically motivated, with an upbeat for action was just amazing. And it's initiatives like the Challenge that are creating the next generation of ethical innovators for sustainable development. So one of the interesting initiatives was presented by the young leaders with a wearable bracelet that could use mobile technology to detect biographical information for those that end up being in road accidents. So it provides biographical data to physicians or clinicians for them to be able to assist you. And these young people came with a working prototype to the United Nations, and I was thinking these young people pretty much just come with concept papers, but they came with working prototype. For me, that was grand. And I think, and I would like to also implore La Caixa and its partners to make sure that all these innovations are supported, incubated, and scaled, because this can transform into tangible businesses to create jobs and to ensure that there's equity in society. I also met young people that were creating an educational campaign on diversity, equity, and inclusion. I felt that was amazing, especially in today's society where everybody needs to live dignified lives, and we need to raise awareness around inclusion and equity. And these are just like a drop in the ocean among all the different 17 plus projects which were presented at the United Nations.